Hey guys, this is Jeff from Landscaping Marketing Team, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your company. Most likely you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, I'm glad I can read minds, because the answer is that oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how they can actually benefit from online internet marketing. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me as well. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back so we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the free tips I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So now let's get started. So I'm gonna have a look at your current website, and it looks good. The overall layout looks pretty good. I see that you guys already have a contact form mentioned on the right side of your web page, which is pretty good. We also see a couple of phone numbers. Unfortunately, they are not click to call, so you may have to have a look at that. The overall content of the website is good. I see that the layout sometimes is a little bit off. The header is missing here, but pictures are also showing good. I think let's have a look at the online or the on-page optimization of your website. Yeah, that's a little bit off. So what you kind of want to do here is you want to make sure that all these pictures are actually mentioning what is showing on the pictures, because Google is unable to see images. Google can only read text. So in order for Google to actually see what this picture is all about, you need to describe what is happening as specifically as possible. But other than that, it looks quite good. Let's have a look at the service page. Yeah, some decent content again. Yeah, good to see, good to see. Let's have a look at the about page, see what that's about. Again, minor detail. The headers are missing, right? So you need to have a look at that. But other than that, looks pretty okay. So what I would like to do is I would like to point out a few other improvements that can help you guys attract more customers to your website. So first off, I would like to start by going to your homepage and have a look at the content, because like I said, the content here is okay. I think it's about 300 to 400 words. But in order for Google to actually rank it better, you will need to crank up that volume, I think about 3 times, because what Google is actually saying is that Google will start ranking websites if they have about 1,500 words in total on their homepage. If talking about the service pages, you would definitely need to crank those words up all the way to about 500. The reason why this is because content is actually key for Google. Let me show you a quick example. Let's go over to Google, type in Mike Tyson. Here you will see why content is actually so important. Because if you take a look at the search results which came up when typing in Mike Tyson, is that you see that Wikipedia is ranking #1. The reason for that is because the content on Wikipedia is amazing. Look at all this content related to Mike Tyson. This is why, exactly why, Wikipedia is ranking #1, page 1 on Google. So another thing that you might want to have a look at is mobile optimization. What I mean is that it needs to be optimized for mobile devices. So let's have a look at your website and see if it's actually mobile optimized. Well, in fact, it actually isn't. So yeah, it's not, because otherwise it would look a little bit different. So it's actually not mobile optimized. So you definitely need to have a look at that, making sure that your website is mobile optimized, because Google is actually penalizing websites which are not mobile optimized. So definitely something to have a look at. Another thing that I would like to discuss is the amount of votes or backlinks that your website currently has. What I mean by that is that Google's actually a popularity contest. So the more votes you have, the higher you will rank. And what I mean by that is that Google actually wants other people or other businesses to talk about you, to refer you, to make comments about you. All that stuff makes Google want to trust your page, and that's kind of what you want ultimately, is that Google trusts your page and that Google sees that your page has an authority. So again, let me show you how that's actually working, because currently I have a tool in place and it says that you currently have 0 votes. What that means is if those votes are indeed at 0, you will see that your trust and authority of your page is also going to be really low, because you kind of want all these numbers to be as high as possible. In order to get those numbers as high as possible, you will need to get more votes to your website. So to sum up, you definitely need to have a look at mobile optimization. You have to look at all the content and create additional content for it. You will have to look at the votes of your current websites and upgrade them as soon as possible. And you need to have a look at your on-page search engine optimization in regards to, let's say, your headers and your current images that you currently have on your website. So this is just a small preview of improvements that you can do. If you need our help, we are happy to help you guys, of course. Improving these things will result in an increasement of your sales, increasing of your customers, and expansion of your business. So hit me up if you would like to schedule an appointment by emailing me back or send me a text message so we can chat and make this work. Hope to talk to you soon. See you. Bye bye.